Hello everyone, this is Miss Martin and we are reviewing our 2D shapes. So the first question I have for you is how many 2D shapes can you name? So I want you to think, how many 2D shapes do you know right now without seeing any of them? If you need to, you can pause this video. Then what I want you to think about is, can you name all of the 2D shapes? Now think about it. I'm going to put all of the shapes on the screen and I want you to say out loud the name of the shape. Are you ready? Keep going, good job. This one's a little tricky. This is another one that can be kind of tricky sometimes. All right, good job. Now I want you to think about all of the shapes on the screen. Did you know all of them? If you did, then you are really ready for the next part of this video. If you didn't know them, I want you to pause the screen and I want you to really think about what's the name of all of these shapes. Now let's see if you were right. If you said this one is a triangle, then say yes. If you knew this one was a circle, then say yes. If you knew this one was a square, say yes. If you knew this one was a hexagon, say yes. If you knew this one was an oval, say yes. This is a tricky one. If you knew this one was a rectangle, say yes. If you knew this one was a diamond, say yes. If you knew this one was a star, say yes. And if you knew this one was a heart, say yes. Good job. Remember, what we need to do is you need to keep practicing so you know all of your shapes. Now here's how you can practice this at home. So each one of these shapes, so we have triangle, we have circle, we have square, hexagon, oval, rectangle, diamond, star, and heart. All of these can be drawn on paper, or you can put them on index cards yourself, or you can have a parent help you. Now, what you can do is use those index cards or the pictures you drew, and you can keep practicing what the names of these shapes are. And remember, these are our 2D shapes. We're going to have a 3D video to follow in the next coming weeks. All right, thank you very much and keep practicing, my friends.